Welcome to another eWay-CRM tutorial video, this time focusing on integration with Microsoft Power Automate. Power Automate is a platform by Microsoft that allows seamless integration between software applications. And all of this without any programming. Imagine you have a new website and want all visitors who fill out the contact form to be automatically added to eWay-CRM, or you've set up an email inbox like inquiries@yourcompany.com and would like all emails landing there to be automatically saved in your CRM. Power Automate lets you do all this and more. Let's create some automation together. Here I have Power Automate Premium, which gives you access to third-party apps, including eWay-CRM. By clicking on Templates, we get a list of pre-configured flows and can search for those related to eWay-CRM. However, we will create one manually. How about integrating it with Microsoft Bookings? When someone schedules a meeting with you, we will save it in eWay-CRM as a journal and link it to the contact. Let's click Create and select Automated Cloud Flow. We can skip the name for now and search for booking. The action we are interested in is when an appointment is created. Click Create, and the system will take us to the designer, where the action is pre-configured. When selected, a configuration screen will slide in from the left, prompting us to sign in. Once done, we select the calendar. Unfortunately, we ran into an error here, but we later solved it by copying the calendar link directly from Microsoft Bookings. Once the flow was created and saved, the calendar loaded just fine. Hopefully, this little experience helps you too if you ever encounter a similar situation. Now we need to define what will happen with the event. Here, I create the next step and search for eWay Journal. I select the action Save a Journal and sign in again, this time into eWay-CRM. Now I just need to define which details I want to transfer from booking. Clicking into this field will open a list of all available fields in eWay-CRM. What should we fill in? The journal subject is called File As. Event Start and Event End. And a note. The fields are now preset, and I will populate them with values. Click on the first field, and then on this lightning bolt icon. This will show fields from booking. Click on See More to display all of them and find the relevant ones. In eWay-CRM's Event End, we insert End Time. In Event Start, we insert Start Time. For the note, we insert details. Let's start with customer email. Then hit Enter and add something else. Customer phone might be useful, and maybe also customer notes. For the title, we create a concatenated query and type meeting with and add customer name. And that's it. When I click Save, Power Automate performs a quick check and assigns a name. Looks like we did it, but we are missing a link to a contact. The journal would be unattached and hard to find. Let's click between the two actions and search for eWay. Search Contacts. This function looks up contacts. We add the field Email One address and populate it with customer email. This step will search for contacts with the same email as the person who booked the meeting. Now we return to Save Journal and add the field Contacts Contact GUID. Here we insert the return value from Search Contacts, which is called item GUID. That's the contact ID returned by the search contacts function. Power Automate automatically added a for each attribute to our Save Journal action because theoretically, we could have two contacts with the same email. The system then creates a record for each of them. In practice, we're safe because we use duplicate control, ensuring that each contact is unique. Let's test it. Let's go to the booking calendar and enter the details. Just wait a minute and check eWay-CRM. It's there. Power Automate is a powerful tool, and we can't cover everything here. The goal of this video was to demonstrate the integration possibilities with eWay-CRM. In Microsoft's official documentation, YouTube, and other sources, you'll find plenty of guides on creating more complex flows or troubleshooting errors. For simpler connections, we recommend using our pre-configured templates. Or if you don't have the time, skills, or simply don't feel like building automations yourself, you can always use the help of our integration specialists. Just contact us at sales@eway-crm.com. And with that, we wrap up for today and wish you success in creating your own integrations. And don't forget, be effective with eWay-CRM.